The umbilical installation starts with the positioning of the clump weight, which is used together with the buoyance blocks to ensure the tension in the umbilical. Therefore, the vessel is positioned above the drop-down location of the clump weight. The subsea distribution unit, or SDU, is disconnected from the reel and attached to the foundation plate. The bend restrictors, which will ensure that the cable can't be damaged by bending, are installed. The tie-back rigging is attached to the SDU on one side and to the clump weight on the other side, and the SDU base and foundation are connected to the deck winches. While keeping the SDU on the chute, the vessel starts moving to the start point of the umbilical route. As soon as the SDU is clear of the chute, the umbilical is placed inside the tensioner, which controls the tension of the umbilical by adjusting its payout speed to the speed of the vessel. When the SDU reaches a depth of about 50 meters, the crane wire is disconnected and the SDU is then further lowered to about 4 meters above seabed, while keeping tension on the umbilical by means of the deck winches. After the work-class ROV confirms the touchdown location, the SDU is positioned on the seabed. The umbilical is further installed at a speed up to 250 meters per hour with a planned slack loop by setting the tensioner in a payout speed depending on the speed of the vessel. The tie-back rigging is cut by the ROV and floats back to the surface due to the buoyance blocks. Once the end of the cable is reached, the end SDU is disconnected from the reel, attached to the foundation, and placed on the chute, while tension is kept on the deck winches. The SDU is lifted free from the deck, and while lowering the SDU over the chute, the tension is transferred to the winch wires. At a depth of 50 meters, the crane wire is disconnected. While the vessel moves forward, the SDU is further lowered and placed on the target box after verification of the end position by the ROV. The wires are then disconnected and all rigging is recovered.